Hello everyone, this is Teacher Isam. In this video, I will summarize the units 7 and 8 for the first grade students. Okay, so stay with me. First, let's start with the family members. Number 1, father, father. Number 2, mother, mother. Number 3, sister, sister. Number 4, brother, brother. Number 5, grandfather, grandfather. The last one, grandmother, grandmother. Okay, and we have the action verbs. Swim. Can you swim? Yes, I can. Or no, I can't. I can swim. I can't swim. Drive. Can you drive? Yes, I can drive. Or I can't drive. Cook. Can you cook? Yes, I can. Can you read? Yes, I can read. Can you wink? Yes, I can wink. Or no, I can't wink. The last one, ride a bike. Ride a bike. Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can. Then we have the body parts. This one is a hand. Yes, good job. This one, fingers. How many fingers do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 fingers in this picture. Arm. This part is an arm. Okay. Legs. Legs. Look at the picture. Legs. Feet. These are feet. The last one, toes. Do you see how many toes do we have here? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toes. 5 toes. And we have head. This is a head. Ear, ear. Mouth, mouth. Nose, nose. And neck. This is neck. That's all what you should know about Unit 7 and 8. We have finished. Goodbye, everyone.